Okay, what's up guys? It's your boy Meg. So now we're going to guess the daily combos here on Hamster Combat. But first, you need to log in on your account. If you don't have still an account, there's a link below. So now, the first combo will be, let's see here on the special. Yeah, here's the combo. Yeah, we go now to the special. You just need to scroll down, find the mega event, go ahead and upgrade it. So there you have the first combo of the day. So now we're going to the market, which there is the second combo of the day. Let me guess if this is the, hold on a minute, if this the second combo. I guess it's not. So we're guessing and until we get the right combo. So now we are here on the PR team. Marketing is the second combo, and we go ahead and go